Which country has most number of dams in the world? Options: A. United States, B. Canada, C. Russia, D. India. Correct answer option A. United States. Dragon is the national symbol of which country? Options: A. Bhutan, B. Mexico, C. China, D. Malaysia. Correct answer option C. China. How many hours are there in 2 days? Options: A. 48 hour, B. 24 hour, C. 72 hour. Correct answer option A. 48 hour. Which was the first satellite of India? Options: A. Bhaskara, B. Rohini, C. Aryabhatta, D. Kalpana. Correct answer option C. Aryabhatta. Which of these animals is not a mammal? Options: A. Whale, B. Dolphin, C. Shark. Correct answer option C. Shark. What is the freezing point of water? Options: A. 0 degrees Celsius, B. 100 degrees Celsius, C. minus 10 degrees Celsius, D. 10 degrees Celsius. Correct answer option A. 0 degrees Celsius. The longest bone in the human body is? Options: A. Ulna, B. Tibia, C. Femur, D. Humerus. Correct answer option C. Femur. Which is the largest gland in human body? Options: A. Liver, B. Thyroid, C. Pituitary, C. Salivary gland. Correct answer option A. Liver. Whose palace in Delhi was destroyed by Sher Shah? Options: A. Babur, B. Humayun, C. Ibrahim Lodi, D. Alam Khan. Correct answer option B. Humayun. Which is one of the first metals known and used by man? Options: A. Iron, B. Copper, C. Gold, D. Silver. Correct answer option B. Copper. Question for you. In which state is the Kaziranga National Park located?